Okay, let's do these two together. Okay? The square root of 2 minus, we had negative 2, right? I mean, I could already stop right there, right? Don't you think I could already stop right there and say that's not going to work? Can someone raise their hand and tell me why? Right. Why? Why? Because if it's a negative. Yeah, okay. So is it because, sorry, is it because this one's a negative or this one's a negative? This one's negative. Because I cannot square root this and get a negative 2. So already I know that that's not going to work. What was your question?
Would the square root of 1 also be negative?
No, because since there's no variable in here, anywhere, and we just have to assume this is an implied positive.
Oh yeah, with numbers you always assume positive.
Yep, with numbers you always assume positive. Good. Okay, if you wanted to work this through though, you would get 2 plus 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. That does not equal. Okay. So negative 2 is extraneous. If I plug in 1, 2 minus 1, I make that way too long every time. Equals 1. 2 minus 1 is, everyone? 1. Okay. Yay. Square root of 1 is, does that equal? Caden, does that equal?
No. Oh yes, that is, because that's non-extraneous.
According to this calculator, equals.
According to how you typed it into the calculator, maybe?
1 is equal to 1.
So this has one solution, x equals 1. The other one is an extraneous solution. How are we feeling on this? Any questions? Did you say easy? This isn't too bad, right? Not too bad. No.
Are you sure? You promise? I promise that.
This
you guys will
lesson
probably freak
today?
out that it gets worse, despite it not getting worse.
This is the lesson today.
I'm just like, yeah, really? Like, what is this?
What is that?
What is that? All right. Good question. We're going to do one more problem, and then we're going to play a game.
I like games.
Yay!
Wait, this is not
Is it going to be a fun
We're doing one.
It's going to be pretty fun.
Guys, listen to Hooper. That was not done. Release.
I hope that you guys can find it, because nobody asked me what question.
That's me wishing I could tase Jake and Kate.
Go all the way to this question here.
You guys are going to find out.
Go to question K.
Question A.
K, as in Caden.
K as in.
K as in Kaden.
Where's K?
Where's K?
Wait, page 9.
That I will not help you. You can find K.
It goes A, B, F, H, K.
Bottom of page 8. Oh, it might be page 9 on your
It's
page.
page 9.
Bottom of page 9. I need everyone's attention up here, though. Hello?
That's quite.
What the heck? It's good practice.
It's me. My
What
turn.
is that?
What is that?
I don't like it.
That's okay. We all know how to do this.
No, that was
What is that? I don't like it.
The quicker we get through this, the quicker we can play our game.
I want a game.
So, shh.
Curse. You just now said it twice. I'll still take one ticket.
I did not know.
None yet.
None yet?
All right. Somebody read this question.
Yeah.
Health is
Time
my
and place.
Not Caden.
Time and place. How would you say it?
I should have hear my
Hold on. Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on.
Not trying to keep your... Okay.
Yeah.
Nathan.
Not in front of clientele.
Okay, I need all eyes and all ears on Nathan.
For a meteor crater in Arizona, the formula D equals 2
times the cubic root of b divided by 0.3 relates to the diameter d of the ring in meters for the volume v in cubic meters. The distance is 1.2 kilometers, or 1,200 meters. What is the volume of the meteor crater? All values are approximate.
What's D?
Okay.
Diameter.
D is the distance.
Oh.
So like how many?
Oh, sorry. No, D is the diameter in distance.
It's the diameter of the rim
What?
in meters.
I think this is meant to be diameter.
It doesn't matter. We're not solving for the variables.
Well, yeah, that's what we are.
Well, I mean the values of the variables.
What is the volume?
Oh, I thought you were rearranging it.
How do you put in your calculator to find out the?
No, because it gives us the distance.
Oh,
Plug it. The homework is that one.
Wait, how do you plug in? How do you plug in the cube into your calculator? Cube root.
We shouldn't be plugging in cube root into our
wait
calculator.
and listen to what she's saying.
Cube root of D over 0.3. And you solve
What is D?
1.2.
Okay. Does D need to be in kilometers or meters?
meters.
In meters.
Kilometers.
Meters. This part right here tells us that it's in meters. D is in meters. Okay. So 1,200 meters is equal to 2 times the cubed root of V over 0.3. So we need to solve for V. There's a 2 on the outside of the cubed root first. So when you are solving for a variable, you do the opposite of PEMDAS. Okay? We need to divide by that 2 first.
3 or cube root of D over 0.3.
Okay, someone else, what's my next step? We haven't worked with cubed roots before today. What did we do when we were squaring a number or square rooting a number? How did we get rid of this square root? We squared it.
When you cube.
So this one we cubed. Good job. So to get rid of that, we're going to cube it. Now you could use your calculator.
How do you put in
Well,
cube
that's
in your
not
calculator?
You
To
go
you.
6 0 1 6 and then 0 0
Followed by 6 zeros.
600.
2 1 6 and then 6 zeros.
Who's trying to cube root?
Oh, then you go second or 6. 3.
Wait, no, we need to multiply by the.
Now you multiply it by 0.3.
Wait, that takes it down. Yeah, it takes it down.
Oh, we just moved. No, you're right.
6, 4, 8.
5 zeros.
5 zeros.
I thought we were going to do something with
64,000. Wait, no, 64,008,000.
Is that really the
64,800,000.
This is of a crater.
800,000.
Oh, I was thinking tire.
I have a question. I'm wondering, I didn't catch this last class. I'm wondering if anyone catches this. Is a meter a sphere?
Well, it's half a sphere.
Half a sphere. So does this actually the volume of this crater?
No, because you gotta do the 4/3
If you multiply by 2,
times
then
pi times radius cubed, and then divided by 2 for half.
Wait, is a meter what?
I hadn't looked that up.
Huh?
Is a meter what?
Is a meter a meteor crater?
What the heck did we just figure out?
it's a sphere.
Okay,
Meteor.
Oh, volume is equal to
is that formula already multiplying it in half?
thirds
Taking it in half?
pi
Yeah.
Okay.
r cubed.
Yeah, because what it's saying is that, where are you guys getting a sphere from? Is there a word sphere in there?
A volume. The volume of a sphere.
Right, but we don't know if the crater is a sphere. What they're saying here is that they already figured out, based on whatever shape the crater is, that this is how we compare the distance and the volume. Does that make sense? So all that needs to happen is this should be meters cubed, because this is not a distance, this is my volume. But we don't have to worry about what shape the crater is, because this formula is already figuring out how the distance, which is the diameter, that's why those words are interchangeable, right? Relates to the volume. You with me? Because it's a volume. I got V alone. Volume.
We had to
Cubic
cube it. This
volume,
was 600
length with
meters.
height. Length with height. Length with height. There we go. Cube, like area is squared and distance is just meters.
Understand.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Thank
Does
you.
that make sense? Pete? No?
All right. Any questions on this?
Yeah. I'll erase it later.
All right.
Anything else with that, or is it-
That is the answer. Make sure you have the unit of measure. Are we ready for our game?
Yeah.